Hey everybody, I am so excited to tell you that I will be the guest creative team member for the summer with Christine's company, Day Explorers Co. I'm obsessed with her stamps and her stickers, and I just absolutely love them. So I am so thrilled to be on her creative team for the summer. Now this project, I wanted to keep it super simple. This is gonna be in my May Traveler's Notebook. I started this tradition almost of making a Traveler's Notebook of my May 2 years ago. This will be year 3, so this is year 3. And I just document my entire month of May in a Traveler's Notebook, and that's it. That's pretty much it. I do a few other pocket pages, but that's about it. And so I'm gonna open up with this awesome photo of my family, and I'm gonna keep it really simple. And I was thinking maybe I shouldn't do the process video for this, but it is once again simple, so I am gonna put it in the how-to playlist because this is gonna be super quick. My introduction is probably gonna be almost as long as the process video. So if you enjoy this super simple page come together, and really once again it just tells you you don't need a lot to make a stunning project. You just need stamps and stickers. All right, I am gonna get started. All right, so to get this big photo, I went to Photoshop Elements, grabbed a 8.5 by 8.5 Traveler's Notebook sized template, canvas, whatever you want to call it, and I got my photo and I shrunk my photo down so that way most of the left side was the side of our house and then the right side was us. That way I could put a cluster of stickers on the left-hand side. And that way nobody was on the left-hand side of the page and cut off. I don't know why, but that would bug me if that happened. So I have them glued down, and now I am going to pull out the day by day, and I'm going to attempt to stamp Sunday right on there. And I am no Heba, so I cannot stamp directly on photos. I just don't have good luck. So I'm just going to go ahead and get out my paper and stamp it on the paper, and then I will just fussy cut it out. And in the end, I actually like that better because it just popped a little more off the page. And then once I have that cut out, I will start building clusters of stickers and stamps, because that's all this page is, stickers and stamps, nothing more, nothing less. So I thought I was gonna kind of layer the currently on top of that circle, but decided that I liked it better against the side of my house. It pops better. I'm also gonna put the Let's Stay Home sticker at the bottom, a Heck Yes sticker, just lots of stickers to document, you know, being at home, being a family. We don't care what day it is. What day is it? It really doesn't matter. Lost count a long time ago. I think I know how many weeks it is now at this point. But we're in this together, so that's what matters. I'm going to put a big quality time sticker, and now I'm going to stamp out right here. I think that's what I'm stamping right here, and I got that stamp from the 29 prompts, and then I will fussy cut those out as well. I think I stamped thankful for this as well, so that way I can fussy cut those. And then the what day is it, I really wanted that to stand out, and when I put it up there, you can see it kind of blends into the door. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on paper and then cut that out, because that sticker says it all right there. So I'm going to cut that one out and then put it up in the top right, and now I have my visual triangle that I was trying to create. Also going to add one of those cute little smiley faces. I don't get to use those that often on my pages, so I'm definitely going to use that. Adding in the thankful for this. So it's just one big square of stickers and stamped images. And then the same thing with the bottom right. It's one big sticker and then a few stamped things below it. Okay, I am stamping a Sunday, I think that was. So I stamped weekend on the left side, and then this is the actual day, which was Sunday. So I'm going to put that down. I think I'm going to put that down at the bottom. Yep, down at the bottom, because I liked how this circle right here on the bottom right kind of pointed up and gave the nice visual line to the one where the currently is. putting down the what day is it again, and then I will put the right here, and I am nearly finished with this spread. I'm gonna add another sticker here that says real life. I made sure it was on the actual like beige door so that way it wouldn't be cut off completely. All right, I am wrapping up this spread and I'm done. Wasn't that super quick? That was so quick. Once I cut down everything, such a quick process videos. But I am gonna go ahead and put it up on my YouTube channel. That way you guys can see. Like I said in the introduction, you don't need a lot. Stickers and stamps, and that's it. And don't second guess yourself, just get it documented. All right, I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you want to keep seeing my videos. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Have a great day. Bye.